Our undergraduate Business Management Entrepreneurship course, taught at our Marylebone campus, is designed for aspiring entrepreneurs and intrapreneurs ready to shape the future of business. This course focuses on innovative business development, entrepreneurship, leadership and strategy, which prepare you to create ventures that make a positive impact. With a hands-on learning approach and cutting-edge research, you'll develop specialised skills to innovate your own enterprise or drive change within an organisation. You'll also have the opportunity to enhance your experience by either choosing to undertake a year-long work placement, studying abroad for a semester in your second year, or studying abroad between your second and third year of study. Through our professional network, including the university's Westminster Enterprise Network, the Company of Entrepreneurs and the Institute for Small Businesses and Entrepreneurship, you'll gain access to industry professionals, academics and fellow entrepreneurs. This course prepares you for a wide range of roles such as business advisor, entrepreneur, product development manager or strategic innovation consultant. Graduates of this course have launched businesses such as TrueSkin Cosmetics, Veda Limited Production Company and others who recently joined leading organisations such as Sky, Tesla, Affinity Shipping and RUCOM Advertising Services.